you ready to hear our stories of hope? At dahil dyan, our first witness, isang ina, isang asawa, and someone who almost did not come this afternoon because, again, she said she is not a speaker. She's not a speaker indeed because she is something better, Jed. Let us welcome on stage Ma'am Sally Y. Jing Lo, or simply Ma'am Jean.
Hello, good afternoon. I'm Jing Lo from Antipolo City and also Malabalay City. I moved to Mindanao in 2024, late 2024, not in the best of health. Halos lost to follow up ako lagi when it comes to my medical checkups, annual physical exams ko dati every 5 years. And I knew that coming here, nag-retire na ako, parang sabi ko, mamamatay ako sa Maynila. So I decided to move to Mindanao. But coming here, ang dami ko ng dalang sakit. And I knew that, well, I was worried kasi parang, at my age, senior citizen na, sanay na ako sa, may sakit naman talaga pag matatanda. But one day in December 2022, I suddenly developed thick, very thick, we call that floaters in my right eye. And I'm a watercolorist, and for me that was a nightmare. Weeks ago, may nagbigay sa akin ng gut guard. Pero ako kasi, when I hear that it's from the, networking company, discard. No. Nandiyan lang siya, nandiyan lang sa mesa. Pero nung parang feeling ko that I was going blind, I decided to check the packaging. And I saw, there's 250 milligrams of lutein, so why not, right? So I started taking December. Pagbalik ng friend ko, pwedeng pabili. Kasi I was really worried about my eye. But, so, moving forward, nalagpas na ang December, I noticed that, teka nga pala, at my age, of course, naka-statin ako. Pag naka-statin, laging masakit ang katawan. You're always in pain. So I would take painkillers. The painkillers would affect my stomach. So it has been like that for years. And then one day, I suddenly missed my stomach pains. Pag nawala ang sakit sa tiyan. No? And even my gallbladder, that was symptomatic. By around March, sabi ko, parang bakit hindi masakit? Sumasakit na siya. My doctors in Manila, nagkailang opinions ako, sabi, magpaano ka na kasi, don't wait for it to worsen. Just take it out. Kasi daw, pag sa Europe, ganyan size, tinatanggal ng gallbladder. No, pero dahil I didn't go ahead with it, I didn't expect na sabi ko, basta, inumin ko lang yung mga supplements ko. But apparently, they weren't working, right? Kasi, nagsimula sa gallbladder ko, sludge pa lang siya, naging bato na. So, I stopped taking all the supplements. But then, sa March, nawala na yung sakit. Nag-decide ako to see a doctor in Balay-Balay and say, Doc, may history pala ako ng fatty liver and gallbladder disease. So, sabi niya, sige, let's get an ultrasound. Or let's just check. And guess what? The results came back normal. Parang sabi ko, hindi naman siguro nakakapagtaka because, I've been taking gut guard for how many months na, di ba? But let's go back to the first reason that I was taking gut guard was because of my eyes. So wala kasing, what do you call that, retinal specialist sa Bukidnon. So when I went to see the doctor, he said, you have to go to Manila and get it. So since may attend na ako wedding, I went to Manila and saw a retinal specialist. By then, I have been taking that guard for more than a month already. eye with a floater, but again, may kabilang eye ko kasi may lesions din, dalawa. So, he said, it seems there's a retinal tear and that's why you have floaters. But it seems, Ma'am, have you had laser surgery? I said, no. Kasi kahit sinong tanungin mo, pag sinabing may retinal tear, surgical ka agad yun eh. Right? And so, said, no, I haven't had laser surgery. I said, okay, let's take a look at your left eye because there's a lesion and gano'n. So sabi niya, Ma'am, pwede tignan ko ulit yung right eye. 3 times, the doctor looked at my right eye. She said, it seems that, sabi niya, tignan ko ulit kung kailangan pang laser ulit. I stopped arguing because hindi naman talaga ako nagpa-laser, no? And she said, okay, hindi naman kailangan ng emergency surgery, let's just monitor it. I went to another doctor, a son of my friend, and kinuwento ko yung sinabi ng retinal specialist. And you know what that doctor said? Normally surgery yan, pero, the body has a way of healing itself, we don't know how. And I said, Doc, kasi may tinitake ako. Pinakita ko, should I continue? I was kind of worried because really, mataas kasi ang lutein content, 250 milligrams. Ang nakikita natin sa market, probably I would say, 40, 60. Ang taas naman ng 250. And that was the reason why I asked. Sabi niya, ayun, this is good. Sabi niya, mataas naman. Okay lang, just continue taking it. By the way, yung mommy niya ngayon, user na rin.
Wow!
So, natuwa ako kasi ilang years ko nang inaalaga yung fatty liver ko. Bonus na gumaling siya, hindi ko ina-expect. Now, with my eyes, nalalasin na, siguro nasanay na ako may lumulutang, but it's not an emergency anymore. Nabawasan din ang medyo parang night blindness ko, significantly decreased since it started. And I'm very thankful. And ang laki ng utang na loob ko sa God guard. Kahit pasensya na yung nagdula ko. I'm very sorry. So now, I guess, sabi ko nung, I wasn't sure if I could make it today kasi nga sa Antipolo ako. Pero sabi ko, yeah, perhaps this is the opportunity for me to share my experience. It's an advocacy already. In fact, bakit ko dinala ang God guard sa Antipolo? Kasi gumaling ako eh. And I'm not a networker. I don't know how to do the networking business. I guess until now, I really need guidance. Pero bakit hindi ko ikwento? Bakit hindi ko tulungan ang friends ko na may sakit? And I'm happy that they started believing in me yung mga nag-sign up na. So the healing journey is beginning for my friends and loved ones. And I'm very thankful. So Chairman Shane, thank you very much. With our medical and scientific board, the executives, the staff, you're all wonderful. Thank you so much. The leaders at yung mga kapwa mga distributors, you are my inspiration. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Thank you, Ma'am Sally YJ Lo, for making it out here this afternoon. Maraming salamat.